Hi guys, Mr. Talbot here for giving you a quick tutorial of our Confucian and Taoist assignment here. Uh, so first thing obviously we're going to be is opening these readings. But just to give you an idea of where we're going, we're looking at two of the famous Chinese philosophies, Confucianism and Taoism. You're going to figure out the differences kind of between them in questions 1 through 3. You're going to tell me the biggest difference and don't forget to tell me the why here. That's going to be really, really important. Then we're going to look at some primary sources. So we're going to look at a Confucian primary source and we're going to look at a Taoist primary source. You're going to look at, okay, both Taoists and Confucians have an idea on what the best type of government is. And based on the documents, what's the best type of government? And we'll explain number 6 and 7 and 8 when we get to it. So when we open these readings, just like before, I would encourage you to hit the download button here. And so that way it's going to download and then you can open using your system viewer. The reason is, again, we want to get to using Adobe because when we use Adobe, we're able to kind of click on the little pointer there instead of the hand. Then you can comment, you can highlight and annotate. And then finally, don't forget, if you're in Adobe, if you go to view and then read out loud, you're able to do the text to speech by hitting this activate read out loud. So that's something I'd really encourage you to take advantage of. Sometimes when we're looking at primary sources, it can help to hear it. It certainly helps to take our time to annotate, to highlight. So based on what you see here in these two little short paragraphs and the chart here, that's going to help you answer questions 1 through 3. Again, really, as you're going to the first page, okay, what's the big difference that I think between these two, and why do I think that's such an important difference? That'll help you answer question 1 through 3. Then you're going to roll on down to the next couple of pages, looking at these primary sources. As you get the primary sources, I want you to think about, okay, according to document A, what is the best type of government? And the ideal type of government, what are those things those governments do? Same thing in document B. The other thing I really want you thinking about, though, is does this seem to be more in line with the Confucianist or more in line with the Taoist? Because that's what you do in questions 6 and 7, and you're going to justify your answer. And then finally, when you get to question, I would encourage you, this is where to spend most of your time because this is where 4 of the 7 points come from. As a leader, do you think it would be better to follow Confucian ideas or follow Taoist ideas? Obviously, you're getting your points here by clear opinion, but also by giving reasoning and connecting those reasons to the evidence you saw in the documents. To answer questions 1 through 8, it is possible to just use the first 3 pages. When you get to question 8, though, if you want to get more evidence, there are 2 other documents you don't have to look at, but are certainly available for you. And I did tell you in here, document C is, in this case, is Taoist, document D is Confucian. So those are some options for you. Remember, take your time when you're looking through the scoring guide, self-assess yourself. You're going to be amazed at how close you get to the grade that I'll give you, all right? So if you got any questions, guys, please always remember you can email or join me for office hours. Thank you.